providers, the replacement cost, exponential increase in cost to maintain the infrastructure, vendor lock-in, and no standard API or even a protocol can be very serious. And standardization, this is one another challenging. Standardization, no standard metric for QoS, is limiting the popularity. Here the quality of service mainly depends on the several issues and several factors, and in all these factors the first one is nothing but no standard metric for the QoS, that is standardization is very important challenging in cloud computing. Security and confidentiality, that is one another very important challenging in the cloud computing, because the trust model for cloud computing is increasing a lot whenever the number of users, number of customers are increasing day by day. According to the trend, their demand is going to be changed, and according to the demand as well, you must provide the security. The security is mainly meant for the providers and also for the cloud consumer. So because of that, the security and confidentiality needs to be maintained, and this is one another challenging issue in this cloud computing. And control mechanism. Users do not have any control over infrastructures. Okay, so here users can avail the services and cannot have that particular controlling privileges. So that is in all non-privileged instructions and the conditions are going to be happen at the user end, and the user is not having any control over the infrastructures. These are nothing but the concerns from the industry, and that is from the providers aspect. All these are the point related issues in cloud computing. In cloud computing, concerns from research community, that is conflict to legacy programs with difficulty in developing a new application due to lack of control. And here because of the research community, many such conflicts will be there, and many such issues will happen, and this may be related to the reduction in latency and the programming model, the QoS measurement. All these are different, especially for ubiquitous computing, where just context is going to be changing. So here number of parameters and number of computing factors will differ, and this is all concerns from the research community. Okay, so whenever you just concern the research community wide, the conflict to legacy programs and provenance and reduction in latency, programming model, QoS measurement. These are the factors, the challenges in cloud computing related to the concerns from research community. Public clouds and service offerings. Here mainly the roles of individual and organizational users and their interaction with the cloud providers and various cloud service models. Okay, right? Here, this is what here you can observe: the individual users, organization users, application providers, that is SaaS, application providers, cloud platform providers, cloud service providers, hardware providers, software providers. So here from the hardware and software providers, these services can be given to buy through the cloud service provider, and the cloud service provider is in the layer, that is infrastructure as a service. Okay, infrastructure as a service, IaaS layer. Okay, so this is what the public clouds and the service offerings. Here this cloud service provider related to the infrastructure as a service, and the next one is cloud platform provider. Platform provider is one another service offerings from the public clouds. Okay, so there cloud platform provider, that is you can related to that is related to the PaaS, platform as a service. And the next one is application provider, that is SaaS, application provider. So here all these through application provider means that is directly related to the individual user, that is directly related to the individual user. So these organization users and all these are the different public clouds and service offerings in the cloud. Okay.